Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the age and gender prediction using deep learning. So this is the project output, like user interface. There is a browse input button, predict output, real-time detection. So I'm just click on the browse input image and select any image, and after that you have to click on the predict output. Okay, and the model will predict the age and gender. Like that, it also works on the real-time laptop camera. So you have to click on the real-time detection. It will predict the age and the gender of the person. It will open through the laptop front camera. If you click on the exit button, then it will exit. This is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can contact us. I'll put the contact link in description. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.